Assalamu alaikum, marhaba. I hope my YouTube audience will be doing great. Today we are going to explore the rich history of Turkey. Turkey is a rich city in culture, has beautiful architecture, historical sites, and mouth-watering cuisine. The official language of Turkey is Turkish. The official currency is lira. The most magnificent fact about Turkey's regional capital Istanbul is that it is world's only city that spans two land masses. This is due to the city's location on Bosphorus that separates Europe and Asia. The biggest bazaar in Turkey is known as Grand Bazaar, which is famous for Turkish rug, lamps, tea, or Turkish delights. This is the world's oldest covered market. There are over 80,000 mosques because most of the Turkish population is Muslims. Sultan Ahmed Mosque is one of the most beautiful and breathtaking, also known as Blue Mosque. If talking about the Turkish tea, Turkish people love drinking tea. According to stats, almost 96% of population consume tea daily. Next is Turkish cuisine. It is a fusion of Central Asian, Middle Eastern, and Mediterranean regions flavors, which resulting in a huge variety of dishes. Turkey is also the first wine producer, and it is the world's fourth largest producer of wine grapes. Turkey produces cherries, coffee, and their own food. Their exports are more than their imports. Turkey has 13 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and it is world's sixth most visited destination. Turkish best places to visit are Istanbul. Istanbul is famous for historical architecture and the beauty of Bosphorus Bridge. Next one is Cappadocia. Cappadocia is best known for its fairy tale landscape of unusual formation, resembling chimneys, cones, and pinnacles. The other one is Bodrum. Bodrum is one of the 7 wonders of ancient world. The other place to visit is Antalya. Antalya is a vibrant city welcoming tourists with numerous resorts, bars, and restaurants. Also gorgeous beaches and lush green mountains. The next one is Mardin. Mardin is the oldest settlement in the region. Mardin is the best known for its old city of sandstone building that cascade down the hill. Now come towards the Turkish wedding tradition. Wedding is the most important part of Turkish culture. They are often large festival events that involve whole community. The most interesting event in their wedding is the henna night that held before the few days of the wedding. Turkish dance is also famous in their weddings. Gold and money are the main wedding gifts in Turkey. In this gift, gold coin is basically attached with the silky red bow, in which red color is a symbol of good luck. Lastly, the Sufi culture. Sufism is a mystical Islamic tradition that is quite popular in Turkey. It has a strong presence in cities like Istanbul, Konya, etc. In Konya, you will find the famous museums dedicated to the poet Rumi. It is the greatest place to learn more about Sufism. Sufism was originated in the 13th century in the city of Konya. The order is a sect of Sufism which pursues spiritual perfection and worship of Allah. So today we explored some of the Turkish cultures, but in future we will get more insight of Turkey culture as it holds a strong history, presence, and future. Thank you for connecting. Share your valuable views in comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to spread the love for Turkey culture. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.